Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So we are completed with our fence rail. So you can see I went with change 732. All right. It was really easy. It was fun. I just wanted to get it together and show you that it's something like this easy can be done. All right, at all levels. It doesn't matter what level you are, if you're a pinky in the air quilter competitor, or if you're a brand new quilter and you just got your machine from the Goodwill, okay? It can be done. And these are all scraps or donated fabrics from my Quilt Nation friends, okay? My son came in. I should have shut the door and locked the door because he came in and saw it and he wants it. But I have one planned for him. But if he wants it, it is what it is. I just give them away anyway, okay? But you see what I went with, all right? It was really simple, really easy. Though I think the most challenging thing about it was deciding what I was going to go with, okay? So as you can see, I went with the 3 across sash. Then I went with 6 across, and then I sashed, and then I went with a 5 across. Then I kind of broke it up a little bit to make it look a little bit different, okay? As you can see, all right, the pattern thing, I'm not the pattern guy, okay? I like going off script. So I went off script, and it came out pretty good going off script, huh? All right? Like, this is what's going on in my head right now, okay? If you can figure it out, send me a message, and I'll appreciate you. But this is it, okay? So I'm going to pull this. We'll probably finish this off. We'll back it and bind it, and then let my son get to it, okay? And then we're going to move on to a quilt that it might be kind of a challenge for me, but it's going to be out of a book. I ordered it not too long ago, and I'll show it to you shortly when I get my hands. I'm kind of like really trying to figure it out because it calls for cutting shapes and stuff, and I have to cut shapes, and it's going to be pretty fun. And I hope you join with me. On the next video, what we'll do is I'll show you what the quilt is and who made it and the pattern that we're going with. But it's going to be really, really, really fun. And I haven't told my son. I've been hiding it from him because it's going to be his get out of the nest quilt. And we are done. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.